Hello. So I have this new balcony, and whenever you have a new balcony, you need to consider a couple of things before putting plants on your balcony, before placing your chairs, etc. And um, I would like to go through some of these things that you need to consider when you have a new balcony. So there are three things that I think are really vital. The first one is water, the second one is light, and then the third one is the physical structure of your balcony. So let's talk about water a little bit. What I mean is like how do you water your plants? And something you need to consider is there a roof or not? In my previous balcony, I had no roof over my balcony. So in winter, for example, I could like easily rely on rain to water my plants, and which made it really not that much of a maintenance issue. But now I have a roof over my balcony. On the one hand, I actually first I was a little bit skeptical because this means I have to water more, but at the same time I can use this outdoor balcony space throughout the year essentially. Even when it rains, I can sit outside with a blanket on and still enjoy my balcony. So there are advantages to having a roof on your balcony. Then the second thing that is important is light. So you need to kind of stand on your balcony, see when is the sun coming and shining onto the balcony, because this will decide whether you have like microclimates on your balcony and which plants really suit your balcony. So for example, we now have a south-facing balcony. This means around a little bit before noon, the sun really starts to shine on the balcony, and then really up to 6, 7, 8 o'clock, there's direct sunlight on this balcony. So this means in the summer especially, we can't have plants that don't like too much direct sunlight and are shade-loving plants. So that's the second thing you really need to consider. Like how much sun, how much warmth is on your balcony. And then third is basically like the physical structure, like infrastructure of your balcony. For example, you can see here I have this wall, so this means that I could maybe let something climb along the wall over here. But this also means that there's not going to be too much direct sunlight in the morning. This means I might have a little bit of shade over here, so I can put more shade-loving plants maybe in this corner of the balcony. And then the other thing I need to consider is where's the entrance into the balcony. So I don't want to plant anything over here, and I would like to invite everyone from my flat to come outside to the balcony. So I need to make sure to make it as inviting as possible. Yeah, so like these three things, light, water, and physical infrastructure are also very important to know your microclimates, but also where to put seeds, for example. But there's got to be sun, especially in the evening when I come back from work from this direction. So it might be nice to put my chairs over here. Yes, so if you have a new balcony, try to consider these three things, and this way you will make more informed choices about the plants and the seating in your balcony. Bye bye.